A big reason for initially choosing universal robots was that we needed a flexible automation solution. We make a lot of changes in our organization. In fact, we're constantly changing workflows, and we saw a benefit in quickly being able to get started with the robot. Before, we had to customize each automation application around the specific product we made. The problem with such a setup is that it's very short-term, and you can only use it for a special function. Next time you change production flows, you have to completely redesign the application. This robot provides a completely different strategic advantage, as we can just reuse it on the next project. During the startup phase, we were anxious to test the safety of the robot. Each time we touched it, it stopped, so it felt safe to work with. When we started tested and programmed it, I stood right next to the robot to check that everything was going as intended. Whenever I get in the robot's way, it stops really easily. Afterwards, you just have to reset it and restart it. The programming is very easy to come to terms with. Most of it was intuitive, or became apparent using the instruction manual included. We have integrated the UR10 with another type of robot, and they work together, communicating with each other, exchanging details. As soon as the robot collects a finished part, it drops off the one to be worked on, which optimizes the production cycle. The great strength of universal robots is the fact that we can easily reprogram and reuse the robot, taking it from one application to the next. These are benefits we didn't experience in the way we used to work. Flexible automation is now our most important core issue. Having a flexible setup and being able to produce a lot quicker, as we simply move the robot around the business as we see fit.
Äkta flexibel resurs som vi kan flytta runt i verksamheten.
In our current setup, the robot's return on investment is about 18 months. Since the robot now handles the tasks previously performed by employees, we not only optimize production, we also reduce the staffing costs of running these applications.